the rule of 72. According to Albert Einstein, the compound interest or the magic of compound interest is one of the greatest discoveries in the world of finance. And this is the rule of 72. Hello everyone, this is Rice and welcome to my channel, The Quest for Wealth. Today we are going to talk about the power of compound interest, the rule of 72. But what exactly is the rule of 72? The rule of 72 essentially means the amount of time you need to double your investments or to double your money.
Again, the most colorful Excel sheet you will ever see in your life. This is the rule of 72. Let's do 72 and divide this number by the rate of return. So let us make an assumption of 10% because again, the average return on the stock market is between 8 and 10%. So let's go very positive and go 10% here. We make that calculation. We take 72 over 10% is 7.2, which means it will take you 7 years and 2 months to double your money. Quite obviously, the higher the rate of return, the faster you are able to double your money. So if we say we are being extremely positive and we say 15% on a yearly basis, then it will take you about 5 years to double your money. 15%, provided that this is not a Ponzi scheme. Do not invest on Ponzi schemes because you might lose. It will not take you 4 years to double your money. It will take you 0 years to lose your money.
There you go. As you saw, the rate of return has got a tremendous effect on the amount of time that you need to double your money or your investments. Now, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you are getting value on the videos that I post, please consider to subscribe and like the videos.